Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I will show you how we can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, which most likely will be located in the Google folder. And yep, there it is. Now you can see right now there is a bunch of contacts visible right here. All these contacts are being pulled from the Google account that is signed in on the device, but I could change the display location to something like the SIM card or the device. Now you could technically just view the contacts from the SIM card directly, but you probably might want to import your contacts if you want to add additional info to them. And just to kind of showcase this, when they are on your SIM card, and you open them up and go to editing, as you can see we have only two fields. We have the name of the contact and the phone number. So I'm gonna now cancel this and let's get into the importing. So we're gonna navigate into the Fix and Manage tab right here and then Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now right now these contacts are deselected and grayed out as all of these contacts exist on my Google account that the device is defaulting to. But you can see that this is a drop-down menu. This will only be visible if you have a Google account signed in, or any kind of account, I presume. But we can tap on it right now, and we also have the option to import the contacts to the device. You can choose whichever one you want. Before I change it, I am going to quickly mention you can see that they are grayed out, and the reason they are grayed out right now is because all these contacts exist on the Google account that I'm trying to import them to. But once I change it to the device, as you can see, all of them become checked, and I can maybe deselect ones that I don't want. From here, we're gonna click on import. For some reason, OPPO is one of those companies that thinks that removing contacts is a cool thing. I don't understand this. It's the dumbest shit I have seen. So basically what it asks you is if you import your contacts, they want to get rid of them from your SIM card. They want to get rid of the contacts that don't get in your way at any freaking point. Why would you want to get rid of those? So I will be selecting keep like a reasonable person because I like to have a safe keep kind of backup just in case the phone craps out on me, which then I can just pop out the SIM card and have my contacts. Would have thought. Anyway, we're gonna navigate to the contacts list right now, and because I did import my contacts to the phone, I'm gonna click right here where it says right now the SIM card, and I'm gonna change the device, and you can see here are all the contacts that are on the device right now. Now, just to go back to the info line, if I go back to the editing, now you can see I have way more options. I can add contact photos, I can add first, last names, companies, phone numbers, label, I can change it to mobile, for instance, email. I can add multiple emails, I'm pretty sure. You just can select add fields. Same goes with the phone numbers, and you can just select which ones they are, significant dates like birthdays, and other stuff, along with being also able to presume add notes. Oh yeah, there we go. So there is a note. There's actually way more options. But yeah, so that will be the benefit of importing your contacts. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.